my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be a very interesting haul. It's not a very huge haul, it's just like a mini haul, but it is pertaining to Jaipur, so it's very special for me. Now I have already done a Jaipur haul video, I think a couple of months back. I will link that video for you guys somewhere there on the top. So Jaipur is actually the place where my parents stay, and I keep visiting Jaipur pretty often, like every 2-3 months I do visit Jaipur. And Jaipur is, I tell you guys, it's so much fun. It's a city of colors, it's a city of vibrancy, tradition, culture. Everything about Jaipur is so rich and so, I would say, lively. I really enjoy myself. So this time when I went, I was there for the last, I was there during the last weekend. So I just spent some time with my parents and my brother there. And I did go out, I did do some bit of shopping, not too much as I said, but I'm really excited to show you guys what all I got. So let's jump into the haul. So guys, this is the first thing that I got. It's a simple top. And I'm sorry it's a little crushed because I wore it and I have washed it, but it's not yet ironed. So it's just a simple red top which is sleeveless. They have attached sleeves which you can attach, but I'll just wear it like that. And it has a spring. Then it has a string at the back and you can just pull it and it will give you a more fitted look. And it has a little bit of lace detailing here on the bottom. This time around I did notice and note down all the shop numbers for you guys. These are those shops which I purchased from specifically, or I discovered this time, and I felt that these shopkeepers are, you know, first thing first, that they really treat their clients well, because a lot of shopkeepers, especially in Jaipur's Bapu Bazaar and all, if you go, they are like really kharoos. You just don't want to talk to them, and the prices are also pretty, you know, I would say discriminatory. Like this top, I think I got this top for 160 rupees or maybe 200 rupees, something like that. But you will find the same top, same stuff, same quality at other shops which would be around 300 rupees or 250 rupees, or it can even be lesser than what I got. I will mention all the shop numbers which I shopped from, or I generally shop from, down below in the description box, so make sure that you guys check that out. Next thing is this beautiful skirt which I got from the same shop as I got the top from. So it's just a simple black skirt with a little bit of off-white print and some gota on the edges on both the sides, and it has a string around the waist, and it's a thin material. It's kind of a little chonsy, so if you're not comfortable wearing it as it is, you can wear leggings or a longer slip underneath. But otherwise, I have washed it, I've washed it, and I found it pretty comfortable, very nice and breathy, kind of a breathable material, I would say. And the color is also fast. The color did not come out. However, a little bit of color came out from that red top, but I think that's the first wash, maybe because of that. So I'm hoping it won't you know, release more color. But for this particular skirt, it was absolutely fine. The colors are absolutely fast, and I don't remember how much I got the skirt for. I think I got it for 350 or 400, something like that is what I remember. So yeah, this is the skirt, and I have actually worn these pieces when I was in Jaipur. So I'm going to show you guys a picture of how it looked upon me. The next thing and the most interesting thing is this Jaipuri turban. I just love turbans, though I don't wear them that often, but whenever I'm in Jaipur, I do wear them, and I like just go out and roam around, and it just gives me such a nice homely sort of a feel. So yeah, I can wear it for you guys right now as well and show you how it looks. I'm just doing a bun. So yeah, this is how this turban looks like. I got this red turban and I clubbed it with this skirt and top, and also a dupatta which I'll show you in a while. And I was just totally into the Jaipuri mode, and I was just enjoying myself, the way I dressed up, and you know, just having fun. So I'm just keeping this on. I hope you guys are liking it because I absolutely love it. Next thing that I'm going to show you guys is this dupatta. It's a bandhani dupatta. It's a tie and dye concept. It's very colorful. The beauty of this dupatta is that it has so many colors, and this can go well with any kind of outfit. I actually wore it with this skirt and top around my neck, So it has red, it has black, it has yellow, it has pink, it has blue, and then it has those white tie and dye design or whatever you call it. So yeah, I absolutely love this dupatta. I'll just give you guys a complete look. And this one was for 175 rupees, and I got it from the same shop. He had a lot of variety of dupattas, and this shop is shop number 41, and I will mention the numbers of the shops down below in the description box, so make sure that you guys check that out. Next thing I got are a lot of bags, not all for myself, but I'll still show you. So these are the clutches, and this time I saw a lot of clutches of this sort in Jaipur. I'll just show you guys one piece. So I got this one in black color. It is like a velvety material, and it has beautiful multicolor embroidery with some mirror work. Now this is not mirror, actually it's like plastic which looks like mirror, but nonetheless I'm fine with that. Then it opens like that. It has a zip which you can just zip it and it will keep your stuff safe, and then it has this kind of sling. You can just hang it onto one side, or you can wear it like this sling with your westerns. I'm just pulling it all down. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see how it's looking upon me, but this is how it is. And then I got a lot of different colors, so I'll just show you. I actually got a lot of pieces for gifting to my friends. So one is this particular color. Now this is a little different from what I showed you in terms of its work. So it has a, you can say, very detailed kind of embroidery going on and on it, but it's yet very colorful. The base is black, and it also has a zip, and it has this really nice kind of ink blue sling or string to it. And yeah, and also I got some more colors. This one is in maroon color. It's also very pretty. Then I got one in blue color. This is blue, which looks quite similar like black, but it is actually blue. And then I got one in purple color. This is like this. So I just got like a lot of such purses. I finally settled for a shop which is back opposite Hawa Mahal, and the shop number is 45 and 46. So I ended up buying all these purses from that particular shop, and he did negotiate on the price because we bought some 10-12 pieces. So yeah, that way it's really important that when you guys are in Jaipur, then you please explore the market. Don't be in a haste. Don't enter the shop and just pick up stuff right away. You have to explore the market. You have to kind of research the differences in the prices. Quality is more or less the same. So if these purses are being sold in different shops, then they will be of the same quality, except for a little bit of changes here and there. Like for instance, some purses might not have a zip. They have a zip. Some purses might have just simple rope strings, while these have been made to look like in a certain way. So that is the only difference that you will find. Otherwise everything is almost the same. And now I'm going to show you the last piece, and that is also a purse or a bag. So I got this beautiful chunky big bag. So it's a cloth bag. It has actual mirror work. These are actual mirrors. Then has these fringes and lot of colors going on. And the beauty of this bag is that it's like the embroidery, the work is on both the sides. So it just looks so vibrant, so festive, so colorful, so Jaipuri, so traditional. I absolutely love this jhola, I would say. Now these were available in these big sizes, and then there were a lot of other jholas or bags which were available in small sizes, different shapes, but with a lot of colors and mirror work on it. So I got this one, I remember, for 550 rupees. And I also saw a very pretty bag in leather, which was camel leather, but I avoid buying stuff which is not vegan, so I just left it. It was a very nice bag. And yes, one more thing I have to show you guys. So I got these chappals which has ghungru, and I just love the very subtle sort of you know, noise of kind of twinkly noise, and I absolutely love it. There's a simple flat, absolutely flat Kolhapuri chappals, and they have ghungru on this. Like last time when I went, I saw a lot of pom-pom chappals. They were still there this time, but this time I saw these ghungru chappals, so I thought I should get one for myself because I don't have any chappals that have ghungrus on it. So yeah, that's about it. The chappals I got were for 200 rupees. He was saying 250, but I got it for 200, and I will mention the shop number down below in the description box. You guys must go and check out these particular shops. And also guys, I have to share this with you that I have recently finally started my blog. So I was just waiting to start my blog for the longest time. I was just not getting the time to just sit and get going with it. So finally my blog is live, and one post is there on my blog. It's a very new blog, just a week old, I would say. So I have one post already, which is simplicity and minimalism in style. So I just kind of an epilogue to my blog. I wrote I wrote something about simplicity and minimalism in your style quotient, and I did post a couple of my pictures which are coherent to what I meant in that particular post. But now this particular Jaipur haul will be going up on my blog as well. So make sure that you guys check out my blog. I will mention the link to my blog down below in the description box. But for your ease, I have named it Shimmer and Muse by Sapna, which is my name on all my social media platforms, so that you guys don't have to really recollect the name. It's just one common uniform name for all my social medias. So yeah, I will be mentioning all the details of these products on my blog, along with the shop numbers, along with prices, and whatever else I can share with you guys. I will do that on the blog as well, and of course in the description box down below. So if you guys like this video, then don't forget to show it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button, guys. It really means a lot to me. You can click on the subscribe button down below or up there. I have just left a link somewhere there for you guys, and leave your comments, share this video, and if you guys happen to go to Jaipur, or if you have been there, do share your shopping experiences with me. I would love to know that. So till we meet next time, you know what you have to do. Stay happy, stay safe, be beautiful, always be positive, enjoy the festive season. Take care, love you all, bye bye.